Welcome to Crypto Horizon. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of cryptocurrency trading with a focus on MEXC, one of the most dynamic exchanges available. If you're looking to maximize your trading experience and minimize your costs, you've come to the right place. Let's talk about the MEXC referral code 12K4M5. Using this code when you register can lead to significant benefits. Firstly, it grants you exclusive discounts on trading fees. This can add up to substantial savings, especially for frequent traders. Lower fees mean more profits retained in your pocket. But what exactly are trading fees? When you buy or sell cryptocurrencies on MEXC, the exchange charges a small percentage of your transaction amount. These fees can vary depending on the platform and your trading volume. However, by using the referral code 12K4M5, you can unlock reduced fees, giving you an edge in your trading strategy. What's more, using a referral code is not just about saving money on trades. It also often comes with access to special promotions and bonuses that can enhance your trading experience. For example, with your discounted fees, you could potentially make more trades without worrying as much about cutting into your profits. And it doesn't stop there. By sharing this referral code with friends and fellow traders, you can also benefit from earning rewards for every successful referral that registers on MEXC. This creates a win-win situation where not only do you save on fees, but you also build a rewarding trading community. So, whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting your journey in cryptocurrency, it's crucial to leverage every advantage available to you. Don't miss out on the chance to save on trading fees while using MEXC. Remember to use the referral code 12K4M5 when you sign up. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest tips and insights right here on Crypto Horizon. Happy trading!